Welcome to Carolina Trail and Travel. Today, we are unboxing and installing the Bullet Point Mounting Solutions phone and GoPro mount for the 2011 to 2018 Jeep JK. I purchased a package deal with the mount and received a free beanie and bottle opener. This is the universal phone mount holder. It will hold a phone with dimensions of 3.4 inches wide and half an inch thick. The spring is very solid and the mount is fully made of metal. This is the dual ball mount you will install in the tray on top of your dash. The quality is great, all metal, and the ball mounts are out of one single piece of aluminum. 3M tape will help the mount adhere to the dash. Next is the carbon fiber and Kevlar construction mounting arm with 20mm sockets and integrated thumb screw. These also feel very solid. This is the magnetic base phone mount. There is a magnet for your phone case and a ball mounted magnet included. Everything you need for this option is included. I will not be using this option on the install. This mount can be used for a GoPro or other action camera. It also comes with a screw, so you don't have to use one from the kit from your GoPro. Finally, here's the bottle opener. I noticed it says Bulletproof Mounting Solutions. My beanie says Bullet Point Mounting Solutions. There may have been a name change in the company, but all the information on the website now says Bullet Point. I had previously installed the Rugged Ridge Dash multi-mount phone kit. It honestly is garbage for the money. My phone constantly popped out and it actually won't stay tight, so my phone moves and rotates around all the time. Your Jeep will have a tray in this area. Remove it and take out the single bolt in the center of the tray. The Rugged Ridge mount actually scratched my dash. I could use some sandpaper and smooth it out, but I don't have the supplies I need. Where the adhesive will stick needs to be cleaned. Take some rubbing alcohol and a clean cloth to clean the area for proper adhesion. Peel off the backing on the double-sided tape. Install it with the screw hole lined up. Install your screw and tighten it down. Don't over-torque the screw or you will break the dash. Next, install the Kevlar arm. Notice I turned the thumb screw to not interfere with the camera mount. If you notice, the head of the Kevlar mount actually swivels. It's designed this way to make it easier to have a lot of options to mount your phone. Install the universal phone mount. You're going to feel at this point how heavy duty and well made these products are. For the final step, install the GoPro mount. It's an easy install and you're going to love the outcome of the product. Thanks for watching Carolina Trail and Travel. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with all your Jeep friends to help us keep going. Stay safe and tread lightly.